Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're getting a glimpse into the future with the phenomenal 2025 Lamborghini 4. This futuristic marvel is not just a car, it's a statement. So, buckle up gearheads, because we're about to rev our engines and take a deep dive into what this breathtaking Lambo has to offer. The first thing that grabs your attention about the 2025 Lamborghini 4 is its head-turning design. It retains the iconic Lamborghini silhouette, but with even sharper angles and a more aggressive profile. The sleek, aerodynamic lines scream performance, while the scissor doors maintain that signature Lambo flair. Imagine yourself cruising down the road with heads turning everywhere you go. This isn't just a car, it's a work of art on wheels. Of course, when it comes to Lamborghini, performance is everything, and the 2025 Lamborghini 4 does not disappoint. It's rumored to be packing a hybrid powertrain, combining a powerful gas engine with an electric motor. This innovative combination promises earth-shattering acceleration and mind-bending top speeds. But it's not just about raw power. The 4 is also expected to offer exceptional handling and agility. With its advanced suspension system and all-wheel drive, you can hug those corners with confidence and unleash the beast within. Interior. Step inside the 2025 Lamborghini 4 and prepare to be transported to the future. The interior is a minimalist masterpiece, featuring high-quality materials and a driver-centric design. The luxurious seats cradle you in comfort, while the futuristic dashboard puts all the essential information and controls at your fingertips. Imagine yourself gripping the sleek steering wheel and feeling the power surge through your veins as you take control of this technological marvel. The 2025 Lamborghini 4 is more than just a car, it's a symbol of innovation and progress. It's a glimpse into the future of automobiles, where performance meets cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a die-hard Lambo fan or simply appreciate the finer things in life, the 2025 Lamborghini 4 is sure to leave you speechless. So, what do you think about the 2025 Lamborghini 4? Would you cruise the streets in this futuristic marvel? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content. We'll